My name's Mark Rantall. I'm the CEO of the Financial Planning Association, and I'm also a CFP and a CPA. I first got involved in financial planning many years ago, in excess of 2 decades ago. I was a qualified accountant and in public practice. Part of the things that I did then was give investment advice to pensioners back then, which constituted of advising them on friendly society bonds and insurance bonds in terms of their investment strategy. So, as I say, probably 25 years ago. Well, I think the prime mover for being a financial planner is to actually help people to enhance their lives, to help them through the complexity of investing and the tax implications that go with it. Well, I'm passionate about the profession. I'm passionate about the role that financial planners play when dealing with their clients, the way they enhance their lives, the way they help their clients achieve their objectives, their dreams, and I think the vast majority of financial planners do a fantastic job for their clients, and the vast majority of clients really love the relationship they have with their financial planner. So I believe in that. I'm passionate about the profession. I'm passionate about the financial planning industry making the move finally to be a recognised profession in this country. Look, I think the role of media is a really important one. The media has the capability of influencing the tone and the trust of consumers in terms of the financial planning profession. And I guess if you look at what the media's responsibility should be around that, is it's a responsibility to report the balanced truth. Now, I think if we get to that point, there'll be more balanced stories being told around financial planning. And by that I mean, I don't think we're always, getting the positive stories of the value of advice published as we would like. That's reasonable in the current environment, and we, as a profession, we need to face into some of the problems that have occurred in the past, and do something about that in terms of our standards and our discipline. And in fact, the Financial Planning Association has done just that in terms of removal and banning of members. But I would like to see the media, where it's appropriate, to also talk about some of the positive aspects of financial planning, and more importantly, the client stories where clients have benefited in a great deal from the financial planning advice they've received from their financial planner. Look, you often hear from conference attendees that they gain as much from networking with their peers and finding out what they're doing as they do from formal sessions. The reality is it's a combination of both of those things, where you obtain technical information in a formal classroom setting, but you receive a great deal of information from networking and talking to your peers. There is a concept called 70-20-10. 70% of your learning is generally done on the job. 20% of your learning comes from networking and mentoring with peers, and 10% of your learning comes from official classroom activity. I think this conference is a reflection of that methodology, and you can't have one without the other. It doesn't work.